I have to say I'm pretty excited about doing another restoration. I picked up this tool at an antique store. It says, this tag right here says forged axe head, $22. And I would call this a brush axe. I'm not 100% sure, so if you know more about this tool, just let me know. I actually got a pretty good deal on this axe head. I traded in an old metal gas can, and I only paid $7 for this. I want to turn this into a functional, usable tool. You know, it's not going to look brand new. And the first step is to get rid of all this rust. I got a bucket over here and 8 liters of vinegar. So I'm just going to submerge it in vinegar and let it soak for about, 3 days, maybe even a week. You can see I didn't quite have enough vinegar to cover the whole thing, but that's okay. I can always flip this every couple days. So let's give this some time and see what happens. This axe head has been soaking for almost 3 days now. Just wanted to show you how murky that vinegar is. So let's have a look. You can see it's right down to the metal. Really see the difference from what it looked like before. Just plain white vinegar works great. It's inexpensive, it's safe. Just need a little patience. And this old vinegar will get reused. And I'll talk about that in a little bit. You can see some deep pitting right here. That might be a problem. And this axe head is going to need a lot of work. Filing, wet grinding, sharpening, wire wheel buffing. So I'm going to put this part back in the bucket, let it soak for a few more days. And today's video was all about showing you what vinegar can do. When I'm done with this vinegar, I'm going to pour some in a glass jar. Put some steel wool in there, let it dissolve for about a month, and you have yourself a really nice wood stain. I've used it on many projects before, and if you don't believe me, you can look it up. The rest of this vinegar will be used for a homemade weed killer. I made a video on this a couple years ago. The recipe is very forgiving. You use roughly equal parts vinegar, dish soap, and salt. I usually heat the vinegar up to dissolve the salt better. I mix all the ingredients together and it kills anything growing in your driveway or on your sidewalks. But remember, it does kill everything. Sorry to leave you hanging, but this restoration might take some time. So I'm going to film it in several parts. My next video, I'll be making a handle for it out of oak. So I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.